What's up guys, dvapps here. Today I'll be talking about why I haven't been uploading much. So if you have a look at my channel, you'll see that probably about a year ago I was uploading pretty frequently. So it used to be like 2 times a week I used to post, and then it started becoming 1, and then once every 2 weeks, and then once a month. Now it's like once every few months. So in this video I just want to discuss why that's happening. So basically the reason for that is mainly school, and also I've started doing freelance work. So school started to take up a lot of my time, and then I also started freelancing about a year ago. So I mostly do like websites, graphic design, video editing and stuff like that. So that doesn't leave that much time left for YouTube. I obviously do want to upload more. I have like 1,700 subscribers, which is pretty amazing, and I'm not even uploading, which makes me feel like I'm being ungrateful for those people. So I will try to upload like at least once a month, and I'm going to be changing my channel slightly. So instead of having like random tech videos about anything like Google Chrome, OBS, like a lot of different things, I'm going to focus probably more on WordPress and like website development, and maybe even like freelancing tips and stuff like that, because over this past year I've learned a lot about freelancing and also WordPress and like website development. So I want to share those things with you. And lastly, if you guys do want any freelance work done like website development, graphic design, video editing, anything like that, I'll leave a link down below to my website where you can contact me. You can send me an email, or you can even call me. That's all for this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.